Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put cursor below table in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to get cursor below. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the table tools. Then draw a table to this page. Then again draw another table over the first table. Then select the move tool. Now we can see here two tables. Now we want to select the last table or move cursor below. Go to the window menu and enable the layer section, and we can see here already enable this. Then we go to the layer section and select the first table, and we can see here show the ratio. You can decrease or increase the size, otherwise you can move the table anywhere. You can move cursor below, select this layer and move in font. Otherwise first table moving down. Now we can see we get cursor below to table or a table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.